the high to low wood chop. My band is at the top part of my door, right above my hinge on the side of the door. I'm going to take these two bands, I'm going to stick one through, and I'm going to put this other handle way up here so we get rid of it. So now you're left with one band. I want you to kneel on the ground. Now your knee closest to the door is my left. So now I'm going to be pulling to my right. Come out far enough to where you have enough tension. Put your arms up. So your left hand is on the handle. Your right hand is going to cup it. So if you need more tension, move out. Chop right. Come back up. Chop right. Come right back up. Now still, this isn't enough for me. So I'm going to move way out here. And I'm going to chop right. Come back up. Precision points. Now my torso is turning. But you will notice my hips are square. This is what I don't want. I don't want you turning that whole hip. That's not the exercise. Torso rotates, hips are square. Eyes are forward, eyes follow the band. High to low, wood chop.